trained too. You don't even need the help. Okay, we're live on YouTube now. All right. Move this. Finish that toast later on. Okay, so what was I working on right before the stream here? I'm working on this transition out of the battle now. So I had this crazy idea. I'm trying to think. Excuse me. I'm trying to think of the best, like what would be a cool transition out of the game, or out of the battle back into the game. I liked what I had going in. It was too long though, so I shortened it up. Let's just do, where are we here? This. So I switched it just to that, way faster. So then I was thinking of maybe doing the old thing, how it like did the crosshair and like the circles kind of turned. I was thinking about doing that after, which could be kind of cool, but there has to be like a stinger. Like there has to be a point where, the, how do I say it? Like there's going to be a point where the scene changes from the battle back to the overworld. And when that happens, the screen should be totally covered in some way. Like it should be all black or all white or something so that you don't notice the transition. What I thought might be kind of cool is if like I took a screenshot, because with Raylib you can take a screenshot of the current screen. So like right before the battle starts, you take a screenshot, split it into 4 quads, and then like have the end of the battle. Where are we here? Oops. So then the end of the battle would basically be like this, and then have from the 4 corners the overworld kind of come back in and go chunk chunk. That was one idea I had. I had another idea this morning too. Moyer pattern? What's that? Let's check that out. Moray pattern. Excuse me. Let's see what we got on YouTube here. That's pretty cool, but that's a little more than I'm looking for.
Welcome to On a Shoestring Production.
Dreamcast TV.
Here's an easy way of demonstrating the moire effect using random dots, or random-ish. I pinched the idea from Grand Illusion's amazing channel, link in the description.
Eric, good to see you. Chubble's good to see you. Welcome on in.
On top of the original, when you rotate the acetate ever so slightly, these concentric rings start to emerge like ripples in water. It also appears to work for blocks of text too, a quick way of making paragraphs visually more interesting. Then I wondered whether the moire effects will work with non-repeating, more complex
Sounds like Eric Idle.
It's a bit more subtle, but certainly interesting in its own right. What's with the word incorporated?
That is cool, but I think that's going to be a little more work than I'm expecting. Let's try this. Let me see here. Okay, I'm going to try, before I actually get the screenshot through code, let's just try something here. Let me go back to start the game with the overworld again. Then I'm just going to actually take a screenshot here. I wonder if I would even be able to do this. And then let me move that. So let me move. What's today? The 29th. That's the one. And then we're going to move it to sprites. Okay. And then let's do putting food out. Hell yeah. No clue if this will work. No clue if I'll even be able to do it, but let's give it a shot. Why is that not? There we go. Screenshot. Okay, and then in our transition code, oops, fuck. What's it called? Screenshot. It's gonna be what the address, resources. Whoops. Okie dokie, and then so let's try this here. Let's try and so we do so I run this one more time here. Oh, hold up. Oh, all right. I'll just do a clean recompile here. Start making dinner. Hey, no worries. You have a great rest of your day too. I got our weekly meeting after the stream, and then we got it's I think yesterday was my brother-in-law's birthday, my sister's husband. So we're going to have some lunch with them. So yeah, it goes and then the four things come in. I do also, before I get too far along here, I want the sun to move back down to the same spot it moved to in the opening transition. So start radius, end radius, Y lerp, start Y and end Y. Here we go. So base res times 0.7. So let's do that. Angle lerp, alpha lerp, radius lerp. Let's give, whoopsies, we'll give it another one. Then I gotta clean this. I gotta clean this class up after there's a bunch of unused state and shite. So next one is gonna be, we'll say, or actually, we don't need to do anything there. So when we are in the scale state, I believe, update the alpha. Let's update ylerp. And we may as well initialize it here. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. Gotta do that in the actual function body. Alphalerp.init, here's where we're gonna do it. Ylerp.init, and it's gonna start at I believe it was base res times 0.5, and it's gonna end at hold on a second. I've been messing around with these lerp classes. It'd be nice to not have to call trigger again with these same values. I guess the other thing I could do is I could just trigger it here. Let's just do that for now. Okay, and then we'll run that scale state. So instead of center, it'll be, that's a vector2, right? So we'll go const vector2 position, and that'll be center.x and ylerp.getValue. And then we'll draw it at pause. I don't know if we have to do a full rebuild. May as well. Olex, what is up? Yeah, what is this? You know what? You're fucking right. You're absolutely right. Use Twitch in light mode? No, that is serial killer shit. That is absolutely terrible. You know what? I think I maybe liked it more not going down like that. I think it works going into the battle. Like that looks good there, but I think I liked it just fading out more, to be honest. And then let's change this. What was that? Battle transition end. This one. Jesus. There we go. I think I kind of like that. Or maybe just, maybe, let's see, where's trigger? Maybe we just don't move it quite as much. And then ease out is the, what about like an ease out back? Let's try an ease in out back. Oops. Oops. This class is turning into a big old mess. That is kind of nice, actually. The ease in out back is pretty sweet. I'd say like even less movement, honestly. Like we could probably go like 0.55. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. That little bounce up and then, yeah. Okay, that looks good. Proof in the DMs. How do I know you didn't change it just for me? Holy fuck. Well, you know what? Here, let me make that a little easier on your eyes there. Freezing. I know everybody loves this. Papa Jack John, how are you doing, dude? It's good to see you. It's freaking good to see you, buddy. Everybody follow Papa Jack John. We became papas around the same time. Oh, I've seen that. The fire code. Do you use that? And like the equals is like a big long equals. I don't know. For some reason, every time I see that in a screenshot, I'm kind of like, bleh. I kind of don't like it for some reason. You do like it? Papa Jack John, it's good to see you. Number 2 is awesome. Number 2 is, she's so cute. She's so sweet and nice. Number 1 is, she's almost 3, so she's a big time 3-nager. Like she is, yeah, I use nerd fonts, but I haven't done any of this. For some reason, when I see it, I don't really like it. Maybe I'm just in my I'm too in my terminal era. I'm all about the fucking 1980s hacker aesthetic. Come on, get my both chats going here. Piece of shit. Fucking stupid thing. There we go. I don't know how the house should be run. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. I'm just getting bossed around all day. All damn day. The goggles do nothing. Retina's burning. Well, what can I tell you? Okay, anyways, I think I do like that transition. Okay, so let's see if I can make this, this idea I had about the screenshot. I wonder if I can make this happen. So let's go to, let's just make a function. Trying to think about this. We're gonna want to turn. Is it gonna return anything? I don't think so. This is battle transition end dot h. Okay, and then let's have an array. I think this will work. Standard array of. I gotta look at the... How do texture quads work? I gotta look at my own animation class here. How do I break this into... How do I break this into... Oh, what just happened? Uh-oh. Did I... What did I do? I just broke something. There we go. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? Okay, texture 2D. Oh, right. It's a right. There's the source rect and the destination rect. That's how it works. Okay, so why did my lines disappear on this? Man, I like just destroyed that fucking file somehow. Battle transition end.h. There we go. Paint by your phone screen. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, bud. Okay, so they are going to be rectangles. So it's going to be an array of rectangles, and there'll be 4 of them. And we'll call it screenshot rects. Okay, and then so make a function. We'll just call it make screenshot rects. If it has to access, that's fine. Actually, we'll return an array. Okay, so assuming hold on a second. I'm trying to screenshot rects pushback. Is it pushback for undeclared identifier screenshot rects? Screenshot rects. Remember name push. Yeah. Undeclared identifier screenshot. Oh, right, because this is a static function. Yeah, I'll just make it a member function. We'll just make it void. Then it can just access that array. So void make screenshot rects. Okay. Okay, so then it'll be screenshot rect. Oh, for God's sakes. Why is it still... It doesn't like this name for some reason, hey? What the hell's going on here? Oh, it's because I used the wrong identifier. Derp metal transition in. There we go. Okay. Now I can access screenshot Rex. Jesus. And then how do you add to, I guess you can't add to an array, right? So it would just be screenshot Rex 0 equals. Is that how that works? So then it would be, so assuming that it's 720 by 720, my screenshot that I took myself might not be, but so the first one is going to be 0, 0, and we want to go half of the width, so 360, and then 360, right? Half the width, half the height. And then let's go dun 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 dun. So then the second one will be start at 361. Christ almighty. Oh my god. There we go. 361 to 720. Or wait, it's XY. XY width. So the width and height will be 360 the whole time. X will be 361. Y will still be 0. And then this one, X will be 0. Y will be, whoops. Y will be 361. And on the last one, they'll both be 361. So these are going to be our source rects. I should probably, even though it's a long ass name, I should probably reflect that in the name. This is going to confuse me otherwise. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll add 4 additional lerps. No, we're going to need 8. Because each rectangle is going to need one for X and one for Y. So let's just try this. This might be the stupidest way ever to do this, but we're going to give it a shot. So we'll just go rect 1x. Lerp. Oops. Rect, or wait, we'll go rect 1 y lerp. We'll go rect 2 x lerp, rect 2 y lerp, rect 3, oops, x lerp, and then rect 4 x lerp. Okay. Now let's think about what we want these to be initialized to. Let's make another one. Init rect lerps. Okay, so then, oh, I just realized. I'm gonna put, put that on all those guys. Okay, so then we're gonna go rect1 xlerp dot init. I'm just gonna hard code everything for now and see if this is even gonna work. So it would be negative 361 and then we're gonna want that one to go to 0. The ylerp, exact same thing, I think. Rect2, which is top right, xlerp is going to start at, we'll go 721. And then it's going to end at the middle, so we'll say 360. Hard coder. Generous description. Rect2 ylerp. Okay, so then the y position of rect2, we're going to want it to start at that negative 361 and move to 0. Right, because x, yeah, 1 and 2 will have the same y movement. I think that makes sense. Rect3 is bottom left, so x will be the same as this one. So actually I can just copy this one down here. And then y will be different. Y is going to start at 720 and move to 360. We'll go 721 and move into 360. Okay, and then, oh, oops, just realized this. It's got to be X. And then rect for X lerp will be the same as X-wise, it'll be the same as number 2. Actually, I'll just do this here. And then the ylerp will be the same as this one. Okay. And we may as well have these all in an array, so I can just I can just loop through and start them all at the same time. So let's go standard array of lerp. There'll be 8 of them, and we'll call them just rect lerps. Okay, so we make those source recs, init the rect lerps. May as well. I mean, it's kind of like, wow. We'll put them all in the array in this function too. It's maybe not the best, but and I just realized I still tend to one index things like in my own head. Like I probably should have called that rect0 xlerp and rect0 ylerp, going from 0 to 3 instead of 1 to 4, but whatever. Is that how I want to do this? Not sure. We will find out. And this will be rect 2 Ylerp. This will be rect 3 Xlerp. Ylerp. Oops. Rect 4. Oopsies. Xlerp, and then the last one. Rect 4 Ylerp. Okay. Okay, so we initialize all those. We get our screenshot source rects. And then we're gonna need make screenshot dest rects. Hold on a second. And then are these going to be... So the source rectangles are based on... This still kind of... I always have to kind of sit here and go, what the hell? How does this work? So the source rect... These are the coordinates of the actual image itself. And the destination is what I'm actually going to be moving. So these rect lerps are going to control the destination rects. So I don't know if I actually even need to make the destination rects. I might want to just do well, no, because I'm going to want to up, well, I could make them. Let's try this. Let's just go to void draw screenshot dest rects. Draw screenshot dest rects. The wind would whistle strangely through the gaps in her teeth. Okay, so let's do this. We'll go rectangle. Rectangle, we'll call it top left. And so that is going to be at rect 1 xlerp dot get value rect 1 ylerp dot get value, and then the width wait, hold on a sec. Oh yeah, okay, that's the lerps. Fuck, man, I don't know why this blows my mind all the time. Okay, let's just go const float We'll just not size. We'll say I don't know. Nah, length isn't good either. Let's call it width, even though it's width and height. It's gonna be 360. And then it'll be width. Okay, and then rectangle top right. That's going to be rect 2x lerp dot get value. Rect 2y lerp dot get value. Width. Bottom left. Rect 3x lerp dot get value. Rect 3y lerp dot get value. Width and bottom right. Rect 4x lerp dot get value. Rect 4y lerp dot get value. Width. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to draw rectangle. Should just be as simple as that, right? Draw a rectangle, rec. And we'll just go top left, white. Top right. Bottom left. Bottom right. Okay. So let's see what the hell is going to happen here. So in our state, when we're in our scale state, we'll draw the circle, and then we're going to go draw, what is it? Draw a screenshot. Draw. Why is it not showing up? Draw a screenshot. What the hell's going on here, man? Oh, one sec.
Hi.
Oh, hey,
I
beautiful.
bought a salad for you.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I love you. Thank you, Sadie. I'm going to eat it. Bye. Sadie made me a salad. It's like some seeds and lettuce and a couple carrots in a little cup. That's so cute. Okay, why the fuck? Like, am I doing this all in the wrong, like, namespace or something here? I don't know why none of these draw screenshot dest recs. Why is this not showing up as a... One sec. Hello?
This one's there.
You want to share it?
Yeah.
Okay, you come on in, we'll share.
Just come on in there.
Come on in, you can come share it.
Let's come
Whee!
together.
Should we eat it together?
Yeah.
Do you want the lettuce or do you want some seeds?
Just add some. Just eat some lettuce and the seeds together.
Let's do it. Mmm. They're yummy, eh? I'll have some lettuce too. Hey, cheers. Mmm. That's yummy. Mwah. Did you have fun at level 10? Did you help mommy work out real hard? I'm gonna have a carrot. You want to share my carrot?
I'm gonna take my own carrot.
You have your own carrot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine was deep, super deep.
Yours was super deep, eh? Here, cheers. Mmm. That's such a yummy salad. Thank you for the salad.
Yes.
It's really yummy, eh? Mwah.
I love it too.
You have what?
I love it too.
You love it too? Oh, good. I love you, Sadie Bean. Oh, another carrot. Nice find. I'm gonna have another lettuce.
I'm going to get all the crunch before I eat it.
Yeah. That's so yummy. Thanks so much, Sadie Bean.
You're welcome.
That's so nice. Look, your hair's in a ponytail. It's so nice. It's so pretty. Do you like your hair in a ponytail now? You didn't used to like it, hey? Mwah. What the heck are you doing?
I'm
you
drinking the juice from it.
Are you slurping? You getting the juice from it?
Yeah.
Oh, ow. Mwah. Okay, goofball, I gotta finish my stream. I gotta be done in 5 minutes because I got a meeting. I'm gonna finish my stream. Do you want to stay here while I finish my stream?
Yeah. You do that.
Yeah.
You should and show it.
Here, you can keep eating that. I don't know why. I don't know why that's not showing up as an option. Seems really weird.
Do you
what
want
if I do
ingredients
rectangle?
to make to your salad?
Huh?
Do you want the ingredients?
Do I want the ingredients? Yeah, can I have the recipe? How did you make that? There it is. Now it's showing up. Weird.
I meant carrots, cheese, and salad. Carrot, cheese, and salad. Okay. I make carrot, cheese, and salad, and I'm going to go make one for me pretty soon.
You're gonna make one for you pretty soon?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Friends, I'm gonna help you. And
You gonna help me?
then I'll code.
Okay.
And then I'll go get one for me. How about that?
That sounds perfect.
Good.
I'm just gonna leave a note for myself here to do. Screenshot. Drawing. Okay. Let's save that. Oh, had that going the whole time. All right. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Sadie, who's that? Who's that on the screen?
Sadie.
Is that Sadie on the screen?
And Daddy.
Is that Sadie and Daddy? That's so nice, hey?
And it's your face on there too.
Yeah. That's the people. There's some people watching.
I'll just move this a little bit.
You can move that a little bit.
There you go.
Can you say hi? Can you say hi, everybody? There's some people watching. Okay, let's find somebody to raid real quick. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow evening. More game dev. 6 p.m. my time. That's 8 p.m. Eastern. Let me find. There's the raider. Raiderino. Who do we know who's online? Nathan Beggs, White Vault. No Skill Games is on. Let's raid. I gotta run to a meeting right away, so let's raid White Vault. Pirate Smith. Yeah, I know, I'm so lucky. Anti-Ladane, Pirate Smith, Chubbles, Knights of Knee, Kestalos. Thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate you all. Papa Jack John. Great to see everybody. We'll be back tomorrow evening. Everyone have a great rest of your Wednesday. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.